up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us. Folks, as you can tell by the background, I'm at Brother Justin's house. Mr. Baby Back Maniac himself. Justin, appreciate you having me over.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah?
I'm happy to be here.
Yeah?
Well, I live here, but I'm happy to have you here.
What are we cooking today?
We have got this beautiful prime grade brisket, 14 pounds.
Yeah.
Got it from Costco. It's probably what, 12 pounds?
About 12 pounds. We trimmed it up pretty good.
Yeah, we did.
And what are we cooking on?
We're gonna cook on my Lone Star Grillz 24x48 offset cooker. So
I can't wait, man.
yeah, it's a beast.
It's a beast.
It's a beast.
It's a beast, man.
It's coming up to temp. It's at 250.
Yeah, cool.
Right now.
She's doing good, man.
Yeah.
So she's ready. We just need to get the brisket ready, folks.
Okay, so what are we doing?
I've got some injection here, and what I've put together, I've got a beef consomme here, 1 can, and probably about a half, maybe a third of a cup of this dill pickle juice, folks. We're gonna give that a shot. I got this big doctor needle here. We're gonna inject this brisket up, plump it up real good, and we'll bring it back. We're gonna show you what we're gonna throw in there for the rub, so y'all stay tuned. Okay, folks, we're gonna put the rub on it now. Y'all can tell it's all plumped up and juicy, thanks to Justin doing the injection for me there. I'm gonna go in with some binder, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Even though it's already kind of wet from that injection, I'm gonna put a little this on there because I like the flavor of it myself. Okay, and I'm going this side first because we're gonna cook this fat side up. So I'm gonna put the rub on the fat side last. Our rubs today we're using KosmosQ, folks. I got 3 different rubs here. This is the Dirty Bird Hot, got the cow cover, and we've also got this Texas beef rub. I'm gonna use the combination of all 3 of these. Going on first with the Dirty Bird Hot. Just give her a nice even coating all the way around. You don't have to go super heavy since we're using 3 different rubs. Just get it nice. There we go. Okay, second rub we're going on with, this is the cow cover. Well, that comes out pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Dang, I wasn't expecting that. I actually use this quite often. Y'all can see it's about gone, y'all. Cosmos, it's a hint, buddy. I'll get me some. I actually ordered Cosmos's brisket injection, but it didn't arrive in time for this video shoot.
But I'll have it on Friday after you leave.
Oh,
That worked out good for me.
I need to come back?
Yeah, that'll work. That'll work.
All right, we can do that. Texas beef rub right here, folks. This is really good stuff as well. So, you know, salt, pepper, garlic, that kind of thing in there. And we're just going to do the same on the fat cap side. Now what I'm going to do is let this sit here and kind of sweat in and kind of get tacky for about 10-15 minutes before I flip it and do the rub on the other side. So we will bring y'all back after I've got both sides rubbed down, but that's all we're putting on there for rub. See y'all shortly.
So this is my Lone Star Grillz 24x48 horizontal offset. They call it that because it's horizontal. This one has the warming oven back here on the back. That's an upgrade. I love this pit. It also has a single door with a counterweight. So that's another upgrade. This is my dream pit.
It's a beast.
It is a beast. I love it.
Me too.
So we're cooking this brisket at 275. That's our target temp for this cook. I'm just going to slide this on over here. Right now, the way I have these tuning plates set up, right now the way I have this tuning plate set up, it's a little bit cooler on the firebox side and a little bit warmer over here. So
cool. Fat side up, 275.
That's it.
We're gonna let it cook.
See who's calling? It's Lyle. Lyle Whitlock's calling.
Hey, no hippie.
So I'm gonna put this down, let this thing go, let this baby take a little nap, and I'm gonna call Lyle back and ask him why he needed to talk to us during your video.
There you go. Love you, brother Lyle. All right, guys. We pulled this brisket off at the 5-hour mark. The bark is set. I mean, the rub is set, and the bark looking really good. Smells delicious too. And just so happens, I ordered some stuff from KosmosQ, on his 12 Days of Christmas recently, he had some special offers. One of them was this brisket mop. I got some. We're going to try it out today. Now, you mix this with beef consomme or beef broth. I had some beef consomme, so I put 1 can of. You want to be the girl that does that?
Yeah, I'm eye candy. Yeah,
okay, there you go. Yeah, eye candy. So we got 1 can, which is about 10 ounces of beef consomme, and 3 ounces of this brisket mop from KosmosQ.
Which tastes really good.
Well, it really does, Cosmos. It's really good stuff. Give her a good shake.
Okay.
I'm gonna wrap this brisket up.
Makes me nervous.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, look, no problem.
Wrap it up really good. Spin this around where I can get to it, folks. Sides up. Yeah. And what I did, I'm just making like an envelope for this brisket. Or basically a pocket, like a hobo pocket. Yeah, look like. Actually, leave one end open so we can pour this mixture in. Go for it, man. Yeah, go for it. Pour it in, and this is gonna make that brisket taste oh so fine, folks.
It's dripping.
I'll tell you what, that's some jamming stuff right there.
Yeah, that's good.
Wrap this up real good. I'm going to wrap it again. We're gonna leave it in this pan. We're gonna put it back on the smoker, let it finish cooking. We'll bring y'all back when it's getting closer to being done.
Sounds good to me.
Thanks for the help.
No problem.
All right, folks, this brisket appears to be about done. It's reading 207 on the Maverick XR50. Is that what it is? I'm sorry, yeah. All right, let's just double check that. Oh, it's probing really, really nice. I'm reading 202 right there, 203. Probe it a little further back. Boy, it's still tender way back there. 207 back there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull this, guys. And what I'm going to do is get up here where I can see you. I'm going to go ahead and pull this, and we're going to vent some of the steam out of there. So I'm going to open up the foil for about 10-15 minutes, let some of that heat escape so it doesn't overcook. And then I'm going to wrap the foil back around it real tight, just let it rest, just chill out for an hour or two. We'll bring y'all back when we're slicing into it. All right, everybody, this brisket's been resting for about an hour and a half. I think it's time. I think it's cool enough we can actually take it out and cut into it. So I'm going to take it out of this foil, put it on the cutting board right here. Man, I wish I could see all that au jus, all that brisket gravy down there. My goodness gracious. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see all that. But save your juice, folks. Save this juice. You can thank me later. That's really good on your brisket. All right, I got Mr. Baby Back Maniac holding the camera back over here.
Hi.
So appreciate your help there, Justin.
No problem, buddy.
I can get this thing out of here without tearing it up.
I'll still eat it even if you tear it up.
She's tender, man. She's tender. There we go. I think I about got it. All right.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh, yeah. Which way do we cook it? We need to go this way, don't we?
Yeah.
There we go. Son, look at that jiggle. You can see that?
Yeah, I see that.
All right, man. Okay, so let's see if we can slice this baby up. See what she's looking like.
Works for me.
Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. All right, grain's running this way, so I'm going to kind of go this way. Go across the grain for the flat, and once I cut the point off, spin it around and we'll cut. You know, because the grain's running different ways on the two different meats. All right, let's just have a look-see. Yeah, this cooled off a good bit, so we're good. Okay. Looking nice so far, man. Tell you what, it's really juicy. I'm gonna slide it back a little bit here. It does smell wonderful, y'all. Really, really good. All right. One more. We'll do one more. Okay.
God, it's making me hungry.
I know, it smells wonderful, man. Let's see what we got here. I don't know if y'all can see that glistening right there.
Woo! That looks good.
It's shiny, man. You know, and it's pretty flexible. What about the pull test? Oh yeah, baby. There you go, Justin.
No problem there. Thank you, sir.
Grab you some, man. Let's see what this tastes like.
Oh, yep. Cheers.
Cheers. Look at me, man. Look at me.
I'm trying. I'm eating.
No. Cosmos.
Good.
Cosmos, this is jamming, bro. That's really, really good.
Good job, Cosmo.
Let's check out the the point. Really nice beefy flavor, man.
Mm-hmm.
With that, well, the rubs actually do taste pretty good, but that the brisket mop sauce, that's good stuff, man.
That adds a lot.
You want me to separate the flat from the?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what he recommended. Remember?
Yeah. Just slide right across here. Something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, get back here, boy. Get back. Get back here. All right. Yeah, we'll do it this way. It's cool. That's gonna be a long. Yeah, I'm gonna cut some more of this off. Bear with me, folks.
Oh my gosh, that was so good.
I know, right? Yeah, we're gonna save this so we can eat on this here in a minute. That's really good right there. Whoop, get back here.
Man.
Okay, all right, here we go. All right, so now for this, you want to cut it across. So I'm just going to go this way, cut down the middle. Okay, and we got that happening right there. Man, this is so juicy.
God, that looks so good.
It does, doesn't it? All right, point you want to cut a little bit thicker. Here we go, folks. Again, just glistening with juices. My goodness gracious. That's some good stuff, and this is a little thicker, mind you, but it's just pulling apart really with no trouble at all. There you go, Justin.
Thank you, sir.
Here we go. I'm in heaven, man.
Yeah, that's good.
That's really good. In fact, I'm gonna take some of this. I'm gonna dip it in this mop sauce from Cosmos. There you go, Justin. There you go.
Thank you.
There you go, my friend. All right, here we go. What you think?
Look, you got something to look forward to.
Golly, man. Folks, that's hunting right there. Check him out, KosmosQ. I'll put his channel link up here on YouTube and KosmosQ.com. And folks, this is not an advertisement or anything. I'm just telling you, I bought this stuff because I like his rubs. I paid for it, even though you know, I know Cosmos. I believe in supporting him. Hope y'all do too. Thanks again, Justin, for helping me.
Thanks for having me.
We gotta go eat some brisket, folks. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me some thumbs up. Hope you share it. And when you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Thanks, Justin. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, everybody.